you jump in the rain?
Yes, I did.
I jumped and I laughed like a happy kid. Did you open the door?
Yes, I did.
I opened it fast and out ran a squid. In the past we talk this way. Add it to what you say. I played, I looked, I helped, I stayed. It's easy. Just add it. Did you eat your lunch?
No, I cake.
I ate it so fast my belly did shake. Did you go to the park?
Yes, I went.
I saw some ducks and then